We're looking at a splendid example of this 19th century decorative book about Yellowstone. A fantastic embossed and gilt pictorial cover. The book dealer or an early owner, one or the other, has got a small little paper name tag there. Yeah. Nice half title. View with a title page, 1874. Now this edition here has a supplemental map in it, which is right here, which is a large folding color lithographed map with original hand color, which we will take a look at as I do my best to carefully unfold it. These types of maps, as you can see why, are very susceptible to tears along the way, because the first person who attempts to unfold this carelessly will rip it. And so the fact that it's made it this far in this condition is exceptional. This is a fine map of the western part of the United States, showing the then recently constructed northern route across the country of the railroad line. In fact, we see that it still stops here, the stops, and it continues on here, but the stops are now only out here, so it's interesting. Okay, we'll fold it back up. Okay, and then we will do like so, and we'll flip through the book so you get a sense of it's illustrated throughout, full page plates, views, and so on. Nice, clean, tight example. Better than most, I think, would be fair to say. And it is currently now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.